It's been another busy year for us at Southern Health NHS Foundation Trust. And in this video, we're going to take a look back at the last few months. During the 2022-23 financial year, our total income was £455 million. With that, we provided care to over 200,000 people, with over 1.3 million contacts with our patients. All this across a population of more than 1.5 million throughout Hampshire. In April, Amanda Pritchard, Chief Executive of NHS England, spent the day visiting our services. Amanda met colleagues at Lymington Hospital to see the Community Diagnostic Centre in action. CDCs are a flagship project for the NHS and aim to cut waiting times for diagnostic care across the UK. Amanda also visited Ashford, our specialist 10-bed ward for adult men with a learning disability who have been detained under the Mental Health Act. In May, we welcomed the Mayor of Alton, Ginny Boxall, and 2016 MasterChef champion Jane Devonshire to help us officially open Inwood Ward at Alton Community Hospital. The new 22-bed purpose-built ward has been created to increase the provision of rehabilitation and recovery in patient care in the area. In June, we celebrated Learning Disability Awareness Week with a week of activities and online workshops and talks, including an amazing animation by 19-year-old Sadie, who shared her experiences living with autism and learning disabilities. Southern Health was one of the driving forces behind WellFest, the first ever Wellbeing and Inclusion Festival created exclusively for NHS workers and hosted by Hampshire and Isle of Wight's integrated care system. Up to 1,500 local NHS staff came together over 3 days to reconnect with colleagues and recharge over the most challenging periods in the NHS's history as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic. In August, Downton and Paddington star Hugh Bonneville visited Petersfield Hospital's Urgent Treatment Centre to mark the first anniversary of the centre's opening. Hugh joined the celebrations, commenting on the staff's continual commitment and dedication to the centre, which helps alleviate the pressure on local emergency services. The UTC is a 7-day-a-week, 365 days a year service. In September, our multi-agency stalking project was shortlisted at the National Positive Practice in Mental Health Awards. The project, which was featured on the BBC's Stacey Dooley Stalkers documentary earlier in the year, is one of only 4 programmes of its kind, and since its inception has worked with 69 stalking perpetrators and trained more than 1,400 professionals across health and criminal justice sectors in stalking awareness. November saw our health visiting service re-awarded gold status for UNICEF's UK Baby Friendly initiative. The service was highly commended by the BFI for the way care-related baby-friendly standards have been planned and implemented. In December, the Trust took on the running of Shakespeare Road Medical Practice in Basingstoke. The practice is being run as an exciting collaboration between Southern Health, Solent NHS Trust and North Hampshire Urgent Care. With primary care facing challenges nationally, it's hoped this innovative approach may support improvements. The Trust's internationally renowned Memory Assessment and Research Centre was awarded £156,000 from the Lewy Body Society to undertake a new study. Entitled Determining the Effect of Peripheral Inflammation on Disease Progression in Dementia with Lewy Bodies, the study, set to begin in April 2023, will improve our understanding of the causes of dementia with Lewy bodies. Building on recent success in developing therapeutic outdoor spaces, the Trust's charity Brightaway secured a grant of £143,000 to carry out further projects over a 2-year period. The project will help connect people, creating friendships and reducing isolation, provide education to grow and care for plants, create a source of healthy food, inspire people to eat healthily, and encourage volunteerism. In April 2023, the boards at Southern Health NHS Foundation Trust, Solent NHS Trust, Isle of Wight NHS Trust and Sussex Partnership Trust approved a strategic case to create a new organisation for community mental health and learning disability services by April 2024. This work, called Project Fusion, follows the recommendations made by Hampshire and Isle of Wight Integrated Care Board's review into community, mental health and learning disability services. By joining these services into one organisation, we believe we will improve people's experiences and outcomes while removing some of the barriers to care that people experience. We are now expanding the level of engagement and communication about this work to ensure all our service users, communities and partners have the opportunity to be involved in this exciting project. All of this would be impossible without the unseen work our staff do across all our services, all day, every day, to provide the very best care they can to the people we serve.